Hello everyone, I am Rejuan Hossain, and this tutorial I will cover the basics commands and, or, and between these three commands. So logical operator can be used to combine two boolean values and return a result of true, false or null. The where clause can be combined with and, or commands. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one condition. So first we're gonna learn about the and command. So and is true if both expressions are true. Alright, let's see an example. Select all from customer where state true. So this is our database, game database, and we have a customer table. So select all from customer where state is Florida. Alright, see the first expression. So the state has to be Florida. So how many customers are from Florida? We have two customers. One Tania Ahmed from Florida, and also Ryan Thompson is also from Florida. So in our command we say select all from customer where state has to be the Florida. So we have two value, and the second expression says gender will be female. So in these two customer who are from Florida, one is female and one is male. Since we use the and expression, and so only the female value we can retrieve. So it's Tania Ahmed. We can see another example. Another example, same thing, select all from customer where gender has to be male. So how many male customer we have? We have total 3 male customer. And the second is state has to be the New York. So first 3 members are male, and next expression is state has to be New York. So how many customers made both expression? True if both expressions are true. So one expression is male and second expression is from New York. So we have only one customer who is from New York, Rejuan Hossain, and that's the value. So this is the and command. So next one is the or. So the or operator display a record if any of the conditions separated by or is true. As an example, select all from customer table where state Florida or gender female. So this command retrieved 3 customers, and the first expression is state from Florida. So we have 2 customer from Florida and gender is female and 2 customer female. So both all of them expressions are true, and that's why we got 3 customers name over there. We can see another example. Select all from customer where gender is male, or state New York. So we can see this command retrieve 3 customer information, because OR is true if either expressions are true. So that's why we have 3 customers. The next command is between. Between is like retrieve within a range. As an example, select all from customer where customer ID between 101 and 103. So this command we retrieve 3 customers because we give the range. So select all from customer where customer ID is between 101 and 103. So 101, 102 and 103, we retrieve 3 customers. We can use the not command with between. As an example, if I just put select all from customer where customer ID not between 101 and 103. So if we hit enter, we have 2 customers, one is 104 and another is 105. So it's like not command is not gonna include that range we are giving, 101 and 103. This range will not be included. That's why we have 104 and 105. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.